Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. There is a lot of gap between my last video and this video due to certain other busy works. I could not concentrate. So I'm coming out the video new one. So in this video we'll see that the market is all-time high. It crossed all-time high and moving further upward every day. So in this contest, how we have to trade? How we have to take some positions in the market, and what are the important levels we have to observe in the market, and where this rally will halt and take some retracement. So we'll see the Nifty and also the Bank Nifty, where are the important levels, and also we will discuss one or two stocks, how to trade for the coming days. Straight away we'll go to the Nifty technical chart. Friends, this is a Nifty daily candlestick chart, technical chart, and if you see and observe the pattern wise, so this is the consolidation area, some 11,660 to 12,050. There is a lot, so many days it consolidated here and multiple times tested the bottom, but it could not break the bottom. And is given a breakout at 12,050 and then the rally started. The rally went up to 12,630. If you see the from here, so that is from 2nd November, this month. Only in the month of November, the rally is more than 1,000 points in Nifty. So the decent rally, nobody expected this type of rally, and the rally is continuing and records breaking every day on a closing basis. A new highs every day on a closing basis. So where it will halt? So the probability of halting is 12,770 and 12,800 zone. The 30-point zone will give some resistance to the Nifty. So 12,770 and 12,800. So this is the area where we should be cautious. So today it almost touched the 12,770, right? And from there it given some downside, but again it took support and closed near to this level. So tomorrow option expiry, weekly option expiry, we may see some high volatile day tomorrow. This is the important level. If suppose we are entered somewhere in this zone, or we entered the breakout levels, this is the area we have to take out our profits, 12,800. And there is a very rare chance if close about 12,800 on a closing basis, then the rally will continue up to 13,130. There is one breaking point is there. The simple calculation, the Fibonacci extensions, the rally took from here and halted here, again it is going up. So the as per the Fibonacci extension rules, there is a tremendous supply area may found here. So because of that, we are estimating this may be some resistance to the market and take some retracement. So our best entry once the price retraces from here is this one. There is a gap area, unfilled gap, that is 12,360 and 12,280. So there is a high probability if the price comes to this area, again it bounces from here. So we have to patiently wait to buy again the Nifty in this particular area if you take our profits here. This is the very important. And one more thing, I am regularly posting on my blog one strategy. Every day we can take 20 points profit in Nifty and 100 points profit in Bank Nifty. So that I'll show you my blog. Very simple. Every day I am posting from last more than 1 year. So this is my blog. My blog address is simple, markettrader.in, or you can type mytradinglevels.blogspot.in. So in this blog I am giving all the information. So this is the tomorrow's levels. So there is only a breakout trades, 12,780 Nifty futures. If gives a breakout this level, we can go for a entry, take out 20-point profit. Similarly, Bank Nifty also we are giving levels. This is every day I am updating, and also I am updating some possible bullish stocks and also bearish stocks as per my calculations and my scanning. This is my watch list. Every day I'm changing this watch list according to the price action before day. This is a watch list for tomorrow. I'll keep these stocks in my watch list. I'll go according to the technical levels and trade intraday. Or maybe some stocks we can select for the positional trading also. This blog every day I'm updating in the evenings. Before opening the market, you can check it up. Sometimes morning also we may update depending on our time and everything. So mostly every day I'm updating the levels, and this is giving a decent returns with this simple strategy. The strategy rules and everything mentioned here. The stop loss is also most important. We have to keep the stop loss also as per the stop loss. There may be sometimes we hit stop loss, but most of the times we are making money with this simple strategy, right? So this way you can, if you are interested to read certain articles, you can learn something. There is education, there is about articles on options, and also some information on technical indicators also. This blog I'm updating every day. You can go through it. So we discussed about the Nifty, and we'll see the Bank Nifty also, how the levels are placed. So Bank Nifty also taking a decent rally from 25,250. So this is the breakout level, 25,250. It has given a decent breakout, and from there it rallied up to 28,000, right? So decent rally, and there is some hurdle at 28,500, but it crossed above that and closed above 28,500 yesterday and also today. That is 28,845. Today is the closing price. So the next level is 29,700 and 30,000. There is a 300 point resistance area, a supply area on the higher side. So it may test tomorrow or maybe 1 or 2 days. It may test 29,700 and 30,000. So the momentum is strong and the trend is up. So only we have to buy on dips. Whenever the market, some correction, something goes downside, then that is a good opportunity to take a long position. So now the time is to take out our profits at 29,700 and 30,000. If we are purchased somewhere around 25,500 or 26,000 kind of levels, that is the area we have to take out our profits and wait for the correction to enter again in the market. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I may not be posting everyday videos. Now and then, maybe 10 days, 1 week or 10 days, I'll try to post videos. And you can go through daily my blog. I'm explaining the Nifty and Bank Nifty strategy. Simply Bank Nifty 100 point strategy and Nifty is 20 points everyday strategy. And also I'm posting the stocks to watch. Where I am watching the stocks for my positional trading and also intraday trading. So thank you, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.